Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator just like I have and you want to see the exact percentage of the battery, you have to enter the settings, then let's find the battery section. And here, as you can see, we've got this option battery percentage. So simply tap on this switcher, and as you can see, we've got only one option here, which simply means that the percentage will be always displayed next to the battery icon. Unfortunately, we cannot pick, for example, inside the battery icon, but that's not really that bad because at least it is visible here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your REALME Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.